Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Landrace Farm Livestock Guardian Dog Rescue, LGD Rescue. I'm here with Teddy on this Sunday morning. Teddy's just doing so good. He's another sweet dude. He's already made some people friends. So he's going to be up for adoption. He really is now. Teddy, I think, is right. He's just not so good with the animals. Hasn't demonstrated to be good with other dogs. But if you don't have any other dogs, he's good. He's a big boy, maybe 170 or 180 or bigger. He's strong, but he responds very well to me. So that's always good. So I don't have much room on the phone, so I can't do long videos right now. I'm just kind of showing some updates on how good some of the dogs are doing. They're all doing good. So I just have to wait for the new camera to get proper videos. So yeah, Teddy's cool. Gonna put the rope down for now. I got some dogs he can get to, so I'm not gonna let him get free range right now. I have to move some dogs around. I'm not only out of room on my phone, but I'm out of room here. I need to adopt a few of these dogs out. I thought I had one going today, or at least meeting someone today, but that fell through. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. And please subscribe and like. Thank you.